welcome to Mature Sass. My channel is all about style and fashion with little sprinkles of nails along with some skincare. So if those are things that you like as well, please consider subscribing before you go. So guys, today I have some friend mail from my friend Jean Louise in New York. Now, Jean, I'm sorry, but I've actually had this a couple of days, but I was kind of hesitant because I was like, okay, are you going to come on, do friend mail for like a 1-minute video, and people are going to be like, okay, that's it? So, today, the FedEx man just came, and I have a trunk club. So I thought, okay, now I can actually make a video where I can combine both. So if you want to see what Jean sent me, along with what I got in my trunk this time, keep watching. Jean is such a sweetheart. Her channel is all about unboxing, so she does tons of unboxings, whether it's on makeup, skincare. She does some food, some reviews. She has a fabulous, is he your boyfriend, your companion, your significant other? Anyway, his name is PJ, and he is a hoot. I love watching the two of them together. So much fun. And she has the cutest little dog, Amanda. So make sure that I'm going to leave Jean's information down in the description box. Make sure you go over and subscribe to her channel as well. So for her birthday, I think it is, she was sending all of us snail mail. And so we all got this mask. Now, Jean, are we all going to do this on Mask Monday together? I'm not sure. So this is called Snail Honey Jelly Mask. Brought my glasses in here. This is an anti-wrinkle. I need that. Brightening, nourishing, and moisturizing. Okay. Thank you, Jean. Now, on to Trunk Club. So, Trunk Club is actually a styling service. You don't have to be have it as a subscription. You can just order one whenever you want one. Now, my thing with Trunk Club is, I know most of you know, it's hard to get into. Most of you know, I pretty much know what my style is. I know what I like, and so I think I tend to do better in the clothing department for myself. So what I've done, because I have some credit, because of my wonderful subscribers that have used a link that they gave me. Guys, I can't get in this trunk. Okay. Wow. So I have some credit. So I really am trying to find something that I can use my credit on. So what I've told them to do this time is to let's just make it more of an accessories box. So I think there's like a hat in here, some flip-flops I asked for. I think a handbag that they said they were gonna send. I don't know if I declined it or told them, let me just see it. But anyway, it all comes, well, they've got clothes in here too. But anyway, it comes in bags like this. So let me go ahead and unbag everything, and then we'll all take a look at it. But before I do that, let me tell you, it's a $25 styling fee unless you have a Nordstrom credit card. Then if you put it on your credit card, they just ship it to you for free. However, I pay the $25, so that $25 will go towards anything that I decide that I want to keep. I can see a hat already that I think I'm going to keep. But anyway, yeah, that's it. And you have shipping to and from for free. The FedEx man brought it right to my door, and all I have to do, if there's anything that I'm not going to keep, you just go online when you check out and you put that you want a pickup. If you don't want to drop it off at a FedEx place, they come and pick it right up from your front door. So it's very convenient. All right, let me get everything unboxed. Okay, so I think we're going to be able to go through this pretty quickly. And to save you from having to sit through it, there's a couple of things that I'm not even going to try on because I know I'm not going to keep them. But I think that they did listen this time, and they tried to, you know, send me things that I asked for. I wanted a pair of black flip-flops. I don't really consider this a flip-flop, and you know, if I needed a wide width, that's just not going to do it. I could get it on, but it's tight. And even though they're leather, I wanted a pair of black leather flip-flops. And even though they are leather, and I know they probably would give a little bit, I'm not comfortable with this leather piece right here. It rubs on my toe. But anyway, I think they probably sent them to me because they are both Uggs. And you know, I kept those Ugg house slippers last time. So I don't think I'm keeping either one. They sent me two. They sent a brown and a black. But they're $75 each if maybe one of you might want them. All right, the next thing that I really thought I was going to be keeping was a hat. They sent me a Panama hat, and I love Panama hats. This one, it's an ivory color, and it's cute. It's nice. This one is the, I have it written here. Let's see. Sorry, guys, I don't see it. The Panama hat. Oh, it's the halogen Panama hat in ivory, and it's $39. Now, do I like it? I do, but let me show you something about when you're a shopaholic. I have one very, very similar, and not only do I own one Panama hat, I have two. So this one's more of a tan. I don't really need it, so I'm going to be sending that back. Next were the Eileen Fisher. These are a belted ankle pant, and there's nothing really special about them. They're kind of a cropped, and I think she probably sent them because they are cotton, and that's probably the only natural fiber that maybe they had. But these pants are $238. I'm not keeping these pants. I didn't even try them on, but I know I'm not keeping them. The next thing, the last time I sent back those, remember they were the, what is Khloe Kardashian's brand? American, whatever. I can't think of what they are. All American? I think that's what her brand is called. But anyway, remember those denim shorts, those Bermuda shorts that I sent back because they were like $100 and some. Well, these are from Not Your Daughter's Jeans, and they're $79. They're cute, but I'm not keeping those either. I have Bermuda denim shorts. What next? The Madewell gray paperclip necklace. I'm wearing it, and I'm not sure about it. It's in gray. And I do love a paperclip necklace. You guys know that. But this one, it's on the full extender. This is as long as it goes, and it's still like way up here. I'm not so sure about the gray. I don't know. I'm not saying no to it. I'm not sure about it yet. Now these two, if you guys tell me that they look nice on me, I'll probably keep them. They're sunglasses. I live in Florida. I can use them. So these are by La Spec. They're the Total Eclipse 57mm square sunglasses. They're $79. So tell me what you think. All right, and then they sent these from Key, Australia. These are the Sweet Dreams 55mm square sunglasses in black for $55. All right, so those would be about the only two things that I'm thinking of right now. Well, actually, there's three because there was one I requested. So you know how you can choose some things to be added on. I've heard a lot of things about this water bottle, so I figured I have the credit. I might as well go ahead and use it. This is called a hydro flask, and it's $34.50. So that one I'm keeping. And you guys know how I love a handbag. There is no way in the world I'm keeping this handbag. First of all, it's real miniature for me, that is. And it's by a company I've never even heard of it. I think it's pronounced Vavoune, I don't know, could be French. But anyway, it's teeny tiny. And guess how much this handbag is, guys? This little crossbody bag. And I know it's genuine leather and all. This bag is $355. I won't be keeping it. But if one of you guys might want it, you can order it. Oh, the Eileen Fisher crop pants were $228. So, I'm thinking, let me see if that's it. There's 2 pair of Uggs. Oh, there's a pair of earrings here. These are the Halogen Shimmer chain gray teardrop earrings for $29. They're cute. I just don't think I'm gonna keep them though. I don't know. They are like a little chain at the bottom, I think. I'm not sure about those. I'm trying to use up my credit, guys. I'm just not real impressed though. All right, so that's gonna be it for my trunk. If they can give me a different pair of black leather flip-flops, I'm gonna request a pair that don't have like a banding across it. If they can come up with it, then I'll order me another pair of flip-flops. But other than that, I'm keeping the 2 sunglasses, possibly the necklace, and I think that's it. All right, thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me and spending some time with me. It is at least getting better, don't you think? All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love for you to be part of the Sassy family. So please make sure that you hit that little red button down there. When it turns gray, there's gonna be some bells. If you hit the one at the top, you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. Make sure, guys, that you're staying safe, healthy, continue to wear your masks, please, and keep it sassy. I'll see you soon.